Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Stefan with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive stock number D21177. Awesome running Hyster H90XL. This unit is equipped with a low profile 3-stage mast. Reaches approximately 176 inches max lift height. This unit is equipped with the side shift carriage. Has standard 42-inch lumber forks. Has excellent air pneumatic tires. It's running the Perkins diesel engine. Has an automatic transmission. Is going to take it all the way up for us. This unit has had recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins. We appreciate you very much for watching. Thank you.